Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of these headphones from they are from Walmart. Groove on wireless earphones with environmental noise cancellation microphones. They have IPX4 water resistant, Bluetooth of course. They are up to 22 hours of playtime. That's not bad. What else they have? Let's check it out. So let's open them. I did already open them. It says up to 22 hours of playtime, Bluetooth, rapid charging, 15 minutes give you 2 hours of playtime. What does it says? It has power cord, charge case, start guide, and charging cable, and they are 15 up to 22 hours of playtime. Audio plays when you have them in ears, and touch control. I see. Now let's open. I've got them at Walmart, physical store, not online. They were in earbuds section, and they were on sale from $17 to $9 something, almost $10. So let's open the box. Here is quick user guide, wireless earphones. So what does it say? Oh, you can play music here with touch. 2 touches is play, free touch, Siri voice assistant. That's cool. Left one hold for 1.5 seconds, previous track. Right one hold, next track. That's cool. 3 touches give you Siri voice assistant, and 2 touches play or pause. Phone calls. Wow, 2 touches as well. Answer call and call. Reject. Charging, earphone charging, and main case charging. So about 2 hours it takes to charge them. That's fast actually. So let's open them up. And here they are. Here is charging cord. Somewhere here. Wait a minute. Let's open here. Wow. Let's see if something else is here. No. So here is charging cable, and it has USB-C ending and USB. Then headphones looks like this. USB-C. That case is actually not that bad, strong one. has nice matte finish, and on this side says first time setup. What that says? Remove the film of each earbud. Close the lid for 2 seconds. Open again. Now ready to pair. So yeah. So they have this, it looks like this. You have to remove this film. On both of them. When charging case inside looks like this. Let's put inside. One is actually blinking. Let's put them here. Let's put here and here. And by showing this white light, and now I'm closing it. And I will give them to charge. Oh, see, now it was red light, now it's not any. So yeah, that's my unboxing of on wireless earbuds. I will also first charge them and then I will pair them and see how they work. So we'll continue later. Thank you for watching. If you like such videos, please don't forget give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye. And when charging, the icon on the case is red.